Good morning. I still have my bonnet on, yes, because I can't be bothered. And I have my robe on, yes, because I also still can't be bothered. So let's go make some breakfast. Typically for breakfast, I like something quick, something easy, something I don't have to fuss with. And today I am having this Kashigo peanut butter crunch cereal. If you haven't tried this, what are you doing? What have you been doing? This is the best, like, healthy-ish cereal you can find. There's 10 grams of protein, 13 grams of whole grains, 6 grams of fiber, and there's only 8 grams of added sugar. So compared to like a lot of other sugary cereals, I think this is a great alternative. Is it like the healthiest cereal? No. But I think compared to a lot of other cereals, the ingredient list isn't crazy long. It's just good, and I've been craving this in the morning, so I'm gonna pour myself some of this. A little one of these Khalifa Farms cold brew with almond milk. This is the extra espresso. I do have a coffee machine, however, my pods are not here yet, so I've been just getting little things like this to hold me over, and that's what I'm having for breakfast. These are so good. If you like strong coffee, these are really good. The extra shot they put in this is so good. Cheers. I'm looking very oily, or glowy. I mean, you decide. I just put sunscreen on and I'm about to head outside. But for my snack, I'm having these Everybody Eat Fiery Chili Lime Cracker Thins, and my friend put me on to these, and they're so good. You can find them at Whole Foods. They're like at the bottom of the shelf, at least at the one where I go to. So I would never see these, but they're really good. They have there's not a lot of ingredients. They're healthy, and Cheez-Its can never. So this is what I'm eating for my snack today. Bye. Hi friends, today I'm having for lunch leftover burrito with some smashed avocado, lots of hot sauce, a little sour cream. It's not very aesthetically pleasing, so sorry to disappoint, but this is my realistic lunch. Goodbye.
Guys, so this is my Buddha bowl. I have just been loving tofu. I'm in my tofu area. And this just looks so good. I added the roasted chickpeas and the roasted broccoli to the top, and I'm probably gonna top it with this chili garlic Cholula that I got today. And that is dinner. Dinner.